In a year like this year, we need to leave as little room for error as we can. So today, with the help of the sponsor of this video, Hellman's, we're gonna make 3 super quick, delicious, and macro-friendly recipes you can make in 15 minutes or less using their Hellman's drizzle sauces to make them that much better. So let's just jump right into them. We're gonna start these recipes off with a quick little avocado toast breakfast that has a twist. All you need is your favorite bread. Today, I'm using some New York rye, but use whatever fits your macros. A lower carb bread would work great too. Go ahead and give your bread a quick toast. Next, take out a ripe avocado or some fresh guacamole and spread that evenly onto your toasted bread. Follow that with some chopped up hard-boiled eggs, a little red pepper or other herbs and spices, and some of this delicious Hellman's roasted garlic sauce. Breakfast was delicious, and we're gonna stay delicious with this cilantro lime shrimp tacos lunch recipe. Take out a couple small tortillas, let me know if you like corn or flour better in the comments below, and add into each one a couple pre-cooked shrimp, detail them if they aren't already, some dry coleslaw mix, a squirt of lime, avocado pieces, and a little Hellman's cilantro lime sauce. The delicious finish line is here, and we're ending this with a macro-balanced flatbread pizza for dinner recipe. See these little flatbreads? Only 80 calories a piece. You could also use a bigger flatbread too and just cut it into macro-friendly portions. Start this off by coating your flatbread with a little olive oil. This will give it a nice crisp. Follow that with your favorite low-sugar pizza sauce, and now take a deep breath. And here's where we might lose our connection together. Take out a can of tuna. Yes, I said tuna, and drain it. Break that tuna up a bit with your hands and take another deep breath. Place it onto your sauce. I promise, this might sound weird, but it's seriously good. If it sounds too weird, don't worry. Use some rotisserie chicken or any other pre-cooked meat. Follow your meat with a little pizza cheese and then some optional pepperoni slices. Throw those in the oven on 350 for around 10 minutes or until your cheese is melted. Remove them and finish by topping them with some Hellman's roasted garlic sauce. Like I mentioned earlier, all of the ingredients like the guacamole, hard-boiled eggs, dry coleslaw mix, pre-cooked shrimp, Hellman's drizzle sauces, and so on were all found at my grocery store. I didn't prep a single thing here. Why am I mentioning this? Because it makes them that much quicker. And hey, maybe some people don't know that you can buy peeled hard-boiled eggs for pretty cheap. It's a game changer. Speaking of these Hellman drizzle sauces, they are seriously delicious. I add them in or use them as a topping on almost everything I eat now. All of them are made without high fructose corn syrup, have no artificial flavors, are gluten and dairy free, less than $5, and come in roasted garlic, cilantro lime, bourbon barbecue, chili honey, and roasted red pepper flavors. I'll link to them below so you can check them out. With that said, don't forget we always include all of the macro and calorie information on our website, theproteinchef.co, including ways to scale and print the recipe. Thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already so you never miss a video. Thank you to Hellman's for sponsoring this video, and of course, stay healthy.